Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Major US indexes rose overnight, a day after the major averages snapped a three-session decline, as traders await the June Consumer Price Index report set for release on Wednesday, as well as the June Producer Price Index due on Thursday. Economists polled by Dow Jones expect the index rose 3.1% last month on a year-over-year basis. Investors have also penciled in another quarter-point increase at the Federal Reserve's July 25-26 meeting. But they are undecided about what the central bank will do at its September meeting after last week's continued robust jobs data raised concern that policymakers will revert to raising rates following the June pause. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced 0.93%, the S&P 500 rose 0.67%. The tech-focused Nasdaq Composite gained 0.55%. Salesforce's stock rose nearly 4% after the company announced it would increase prices across the board in August. Activision Blizzard shares jumped 10% after a federal judge denied the Federal Trade Commission's request for a preliminary injunction to stop Microsoft's acquisition of the video game company. The decision meant that the two companies were closer to completing their deal. Second quarter earnings season kicks off later this week with results from systematically important financial institutions such as JPMorgan Chase, Wells Fargo and Citigroup, plus BlackRock, PepsiCo and Delta Air. Dow component United Health reports on Friday. Hedge funds have significantly reduced their investments in the US stock market, reaching their lowest levels in over a decade, and shifted their focus to European stocks due to the concerns about the durability of the US tech-driven rally, according to prime brokerage data from Goldman Sachs. In commodity-related news, countries are bringing home their physical gold reserves and increasing their gold purchases as a hedge against inflation and protection against potential sanctions, with central banks globally making record purchases in 2022 and early 2023, as revealed by a survey of sovereign investors conducted by asset manager Invesco, where China and Turkey emerge as significant contributors to these acquisitions. Investment in critical minerals has surged by 30% to over $40 billion, with China leading the spending, while diversification of supply sources for metals like lithium, nickel and cobalt remains a concern, according to the International Energy Agency. And Rio Tinto plans to intensify its search for hard rock lithium in Western Australia outback, extending its exploration partnership near Sandstone for the third time in 2 years, as the mining giant aims to bolster its presence in the booming battery material market. Overall, all US sectors closed higher except for health, which was unchanged. Utilities was the best performer. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% gain. Thank you for listening.